In this topic, we will discuss the tuple methods used in Python. As discussed earlier, tuple is very similar to lists, except you don't use square brackets, you have to use parentheses. Tuple performs operations based on the following operators: concatenation, repetition, membership, and iteration. Again, the examples are very similar to how a list works. Concatenation: a tuple of 245 plus another tuple containing 689 equals to a single tuple containing 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Repetition: a tuple containing learn cards into 2 equals another tuple containing learn cards, learn cards. Membership: 5 in a tuple containing 2, 4, 5 equals true. Iteration: for x in 2, 4, and 5, print x would result in 2, 4, 5. Python provides the following built-in tuple methods: len, which is used to find the total length of the tuple; cmp, used to compare the elements of both the tuples; max, used to return the item from the tuple with max value; min, used to return the item from the tuple with min value; tuples, used to convert a list into a tuple.